Emma, are you eating your cake? Is it yummy?
兩個食婆婆又食。
兩個 cake 啊？你望住媽媽，我想睇你食乜嘢 cake 啊？咩 cake 嚟㗎？No, vanilla cake.
甜甜。
邊個 birthday 啊 ？Emma birthday 啊？
好叻啊！真係。
點解會有邊個買個 cake 俾你㗎？邊個買㗎？爹哋買俾 Emma 㗎，咁 special 啊 ！Oh, that's a lot of sugar, Daddy. Take that half. Yes, Yen. I said that's a lot of sugar. Thank you. What is that, Emma? Green cake. Oh, you have green cake? Hey, Emma. Is that toe jam in your cake?
Green toe jam.
Green toe jam, Daddy.
Ew, gross.
So good.
Emma, give Jung the look. Yo. Emma, you tell Jung, say, I'm watching you. Do your hands.
One more.
I'm watching you. Emma, tell Yi, say, what's the dealio? Now Emma, one last one. Emma, go. Emma, say, what's up? Do your hands, say, what's up? What's up? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave? Wave your hands. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.